Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn and write 3rd class Maths Magic Workbook Semester 1 Chapter Addition. You can check previous videos for 3rd class Maths Magic worksheets in playlist of 3rd class Maths in our channel. Now let's go to write worksheet number 1. Subtopic 2 digits numbers addition. First question, do the following additions. A. 66 plus 31. Here we have to begin adding with ones place. So 6 plus 1 we get 7. So we have to write 7 in ones place. Next we have to add the numbers in tens place. So 6 plus 3 we get 9. So we have to write 9 in tens place. So 66 plus 31 we get 97. Next B, 74 plus 13 we get 87. Next C, 27 plus 55. Here we have to add digits in ones place first. So 7 plus 5 we get 12. So in 12 there is 110 plus 2 ones, that means 110 plus 2 ones. So we have to write 2 in ones place and carry forwarded 110 to tens place. Next we have to add the numbers in tens place. So 1 plus 2 plus 5 we get 8. So we write 8 in tens place. So 27 plus 55 we get 82. Next D, 45 plus 18. Here we have to add digits in ones place. So 5 plus 8 we get 13. So we have to write 3 in ones place and carry forward 1 to tens place. Now add digits of tens place. So 1 plus 4 plus 1 we get 6. So 45 plus 18 we get 63. Next do the following. A, 36 plus 10 plus 3. Here we have to add digits of ones place. So here 6 plus 0 plus 3 we get 9. So we have to write 9 in ones place. Then add digits of tens place. So 3 tens plus 1 10 we get 4 tens. So we have to write 4 in tens place. So 36 plus 10 plus 3 we get 49. Next B, 10 plus 20 plus 30 we get 60. Next C, 45 plus 28 plus 5 we get 78. Next D, 12 plus 33 plus 45 we get 90. Next filling the blanks. A, 28 plus 33. So we get 61. So we have to write 61 here. Next B, 39 plus 13 we get 52. Next C, 64 plus 17 we get 81. Next D, 11 plus 22 plus 37 we get 70. Next E, 40 plus 50 plus 9 we get 99. Next worksheet number 2, subtopic addition of 2 digit numbers. First one, do the following. A, 75 plus 35 we get 110. Next B, 68 plus 74 we get 142. Next C, 55 plus 83 we get 138. Next D, 34 plus 96 we get 130. Next E, 63 plus 49 we get 112. Next one, do the following. A, 25 plus 32 plus 7 we get 64. Next B, 33 plus 44 plus 13 we get 90. Next C, 54 plus 19 plus 5 we get 78. Next D, 29 plus 12 plus 36 we get 77. Next one, write the numbers for given number names and do the addition. First one, A, 70 plus 80. So we have to write here 70 plus 80. Now we have to add 70 plus 80 we get 150. Next B, 44 plus 65. So we have to write here 44 plus 65. Now we have to add 44 plus 65 we get 109. Next see 34 plus 95. We have to write here 34 plus 95. Now we have to add 34 plus 95. We get 129. Next one, 90 plus 10. Here we have to write 90 plus 10. Now add 90 plus 10. We get 100. Next, 80 plus 77. Here we have to write 80 plus 77. Then add 80 plus 77. We get 157. Next question, do the following. A, 98 plus 35. Here we have to add 98 plus 35. We get 133. So we have to write here 133. Next, B, 68 plus 72 plus 18. We get 158. Next, worksheet number 3. Subtopic, addition of 3-digit number with 1-digit numbers. First one, do the following. A, 100 plus 5. Here we have to add digits in ones place first. So 0 plus 5 we get 5. So write 5 in ones place. After that we have to write 0 in tens place, as there is no number in tens place. After that write 1 in hundreds place, as there is no number in hundreds place to add. So 100 plus 5 we get 105. Next, B, 320 plus 7. Here we have to add digits in ones place first. So 0 plus 7 we get 7. So write 7 in ones place. Then write 2 in tens place, as there is no number in tens place to add. After that write 3 in hundreds place, because there is no number in hundreds place to add. So 320 plus 7 we get 327. Next, see, 450 plus 8 we get 458. Next, D, 700 plus 9 we get 709. Next question, using number line do the following. So here given number line is 357 to 370. First one, A, 360 plus 6. Here we have to use the number line and find 360 on the above number strip. Here it is, and move 6 places forwarded. So 361, 362, 363, 364, 365 and 366. Now we are at 366. So 360 plus 6 we get 366. So we have to write here 366. Next, B, 361 plus 4. Here we have to find the number 361. So here it is 361. So we have to start from 361 and move 4 places forward. So 362, 363, 364 and 365. So we are at 365. So 361 plus 4 we get 365. Next, 363 plus 5 we get 368. Next, 357, there is no number and we get 359. Here we have to find the number 359. So here it is. So we have to start from 359 and move 359 to 357. So we have to move 2 places backward. So we get 357. So we have to write 2 in ones place. Now 357 plus 2 we get 359. We have to use another method also here. That is 359 minus 357. So we get number 2. So we have to write number 2 here also. We have to use another method also. Here we have to subtract 7 ones from 9 ones. We get 2 ones. So 357 plus 2 we get 359. Next one, do the following. Here 532 plus 2 we get 536. Next, B, 587 plus 6 we get 593. Next, C, 698 plus 5 we get 703. Next, D. 763 plus 4, we get 767. Next one, write the answers in the blanks. Here A, 5 more than 360. So here we have to add 360 plus 5, we get 365. So we have to write here 365. Next B, 7 more than 722. So we have to add 7 to 722. So we get 727. Next C, 1 more than 162. So here we have to add 1 to 162. So we get 163. Next worksheet number 4. Subtopic, addition of 3 digit with 2 digit numbers. First one, do the following. A, 123 plus 45. Here we have to add digits in ones place first. So 3 plus 5 we get 8. So write 8 in ones place. Then we have to add digits of tens place. So 2 plus 4, 2 tens plus 4 tens, we get 6 tens. So write 6 in tens place. And then write 1 in hundreds place, as there is no other number to add in hundreds place. So 123 plus 45, we get 168. Next B, 350 plus 20, we get 370. Next C, 469 plus 30, we get 499. Next D, 786 plus 13, we get 799. Next one, match the following. Here 120 plus 6, we get 126. Where is 126 here? Here 126. So we have to match 126. Next 646 plus 52, we get 698. So we have to match 698 here. Next 334 plus 4, we get 337. So we have to match here. Next 541 plus 48, we get 585. So where is the 585? Here. Here it is. So we have to match 585 here. Next 900 plus 99, we get 999. So here it is. So we have to match 999. Next one, complete the puzzle. Here 500 plus 25, we get 525. So we have to write 525 here. Next 4 plus 110. So we get 114. So we have to write here 114. Then 500 plus 4, we get 504. So we have to write here 504. Next 25 plus 110. So we get 135. So we have to write 135 here. Then 504 plus 135. So we get 639. So we have to write 639 here. So 525 plus 114 also we get 639. Next one, do this. A, 127 plus 87, we get 214. Next B, 270 plus 42, we get 312. Next C, 342 plus 16, we get 358. Next D, 369 plus 14, we get 383. Next worksheet number 5, subtopic, addition of 3 digit with 3 digit numbers. First one, do the following. Here A, 234 plus 600, we get 834. Next 300 plus 162, here we get 462. Next C, 450 plus 230, we get 680. Next D, 715 plus 264, we get 979. Next one, find and write the missing numbers in boxes. A, 377 plus 600, there is blanks here. So we get 989. So here we have to subtract 377 from 989. Then we get this number. Here subtract 7 ones from 9 ones, we get 2 ones. Write 2 ones in ones place. Then subtract 7 tens from 8 tens, we get 1 10. So write 1 10 in tens place. Then subtract 3 hundreds from 9 hundreds, we get 6 hundreds. So we have to write 6 in hundreds place. So we get 612. So we have to write here, already 6 here. So we have to write 12 here. Now 377 plus 612, we get 989. Next B, here also there is no number. Here given only one number and sum of these numbers is 867. So here we have to subtract 453 from 867. Subtract 3 ones from 7 ones, we get 4 ones. Next subtract 5 tens from 6 tens, we get 1 10. Then subtract 4 hundreds from 8 hundreds, we get 4 hundreds. So we have to write 414 here. Now 414 plus 453, we get 867. Next see here 768. So here we have to write 8. Now subtract 428 from 768. Here subtract 8 ones from 8 ones, we get 0. Then subtract 2 tens from 6 tens, we get 4. Then subtract 4 hundreds from 7 hundreds, we get 300. So we have to write 340 here. Now we have to add 428 plus 340, we get 768. Next D, there is no addends here but given sum of these addends. So here we have to subtract any 3-digit number from 949. We subtract 525 from 949. We get 424. So we have to write these numbers. So we have to write here these small numbers. So 525 and 424. Then we add 525 and 424. We get 949. Next question. At Nelapattu Bird Sanctuary, there are 390 flamingos and 215 pelicans. How many birds are there? Now, children, answer the following questions. A. What information is given? Number of flamingos and pelicans are there in bird sanctuary. Number of flamingos and pelicans are given. Next question. What you have to find? We need to find out the total number of birds. Next question. Which process do you follow to solve? We must follow addition to solve the problem. Next D. Total number of birds. Number of flamingos plus number of pelicans. So number of flamingos are 390 plus number of pelicans are 215. Here we have to add 390 plus 215, we get 605. So we get 605 birds in Nelapattu Bird Sanctuary. Next question. Yashwant have 315. His mother gave him 250. Now how much amount Yashwant have? Amount that Yashwant had 315. Amount of his mother given 250 rupees. Total amount of Yashwant had, that equal to, here we have to add 350 rupees and 250. Then we get 565 rupees. Next worksheet number 6. Subtopic addition word problems. First question. In a dairy farm there are 135 cows and 120 buffaloes. How many cattle are there altogether? Number of cows. How many cows are there? 135. Number of buffaloes. 120. Total number of cattle, that equal to number of cows 135 plus number of buffaloes, that equal to 120. So here we have to add 135 and 120. We get 255. Next question. A fisherman caught 324 fish in a day. Next day he caught 112 more fish than previous day. How many fish he caught on second day? Number of fish caught in a day, that equal to 324. Number of more fish caught on the second day, that equal to 112. Total number of fish caught on the second day. Here we have to add number of fish caught in first day plus number of more fish caught on the second day. That equal to number of fish are 324 plus number of more fish are 112. So we have to add 324 plus 112. We get 436. So here we have to write 436. 324 plus 112, we get 436. Next question. In a kite festival, people flew 112 red colored kites, 120 blue colored kites and 133 green kites. How many kites are there in total? Number of red color kites, that equal to 112. And number of blue color kites, that equal to 120. And number of green color kites, that equal to 113. Total number of kites, that equal to, here we have to add 112 plus 120 plus 133. We get 365. So total number of kites are 365. Next question. In the garden, 116 mango trees, 95 coconut trees are there. How many total trees in the garden? Number of mango trees, that equal to 116. And number of coconut trees, that equal to 95. So total number of trees in the garden, that equal to, here we have to add 116 plus 95. We get 211. Remaining worksheets will continue in another video. Until then, take care of you. Thank you. Bye bye.